What was the tragic outcome of the Terra Nova expedition? Have you ever wondered what happened to the brave explorers of the Terra Nova expedition? Led by Captain Robert Falcon Scott, this British Antarctic journey took place from 1910 to 1913. The main goal was to reach the South Pole and conduct scientific research in the polar regions. The expedition was named after the supply ship, the Terra Nova, and received support from public donations, government funding, and the Royal Geographical Society. On January 17, 1912, Scott and his team reached the South Pole, but their excitement quickly turned to disappointment. They discovered that a Norwegian team led by Roald Amundsen had arrived there 30 days earlier. This setback was just the beginning of their troubles. As they began their return journey, they faced the harsh realities of the Antarctic environment. The extreme cold, lack of supplies, and severe weather conditions made their trek back incredibly difficult. Scott and his men suffered from frostbite, which made it hard for them to travel. They struggled to reach their supply depots in time, and as the days passed, their situation grew more desperate. Tragically, Scott, along with his companions Edward Wilson and Henry Bowers, died in their tent, just 11 miles from the one-ton depot. They were found 8 months later by a search party. The harsh conditions and poor planning played a significant role in their demise. The outcome of the Terra Nova expedition serves as a reminder of the dangers early explorers faced in the polar regions. It highlights the need for careful planning and preparation when venturing into such extreme environments. Despite the tragic end, the expedition made important contributions to scientific knowledge about Antarctica. It remains a significant chapter in the history of polar exploration and scientific discoveries. The story of Scott and his team continues to inspire and educate those interested in the challenges of polar exploration.